Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sell things on Please Donate. To begin, you must first create game passes or developer products on the Roblox platform. These are the virtual items that other players will buy from your stand, effectively donating Robux to you. It's crucial to have these set up correctly before entering the game. This initial step lays the foundation for your donation efforts, allowing you to receive contributions from generous players. Now, let's craft your donation items. Head to your Roblox Creator dashboard and choose an experience. Here, you can create new game passes or developer products, giving each a unique name and description. It's important to set a variety of Robux prices, perhaps from 5 Robux to 1,000 Robux, offering options for every donor. Remember, Roblox takes a 30% cut, so you will receive 70% of each donation. This step is vital for receiving any Robux. Once your items are ready, enter the Please Donate game and claim an empty stand. This is your personal storefront. Take time to customize its appearance, choosing vibrant colors and eye-catching designs. Most importantly, craft a friendly and clear message for your stand. Explain why you are seeking donations, perhaps for a new avatar item or to support a project. A well-designed and heartfelt message can significantly increase your chances of receiving donations. Finally, engaging with donors is key to success. Interact politely with everyone who approaches your stand, offering a friendly greeting and a sincere thank you, even if they don't donate. Patience is a virtue here. Donations may not come instantly, but persistence pays off. Remember to avoid begging or being overly demanding, as this can often discourage potential givers. Focus on positive interactions and enjoy the community aspect of the game while earning Robux.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.